Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a Windows 10 PC or Cloud VM ready and the iPad on the same network or with internet access. First, enable Remote Desktop on Windows 10 or provision a Cloud VM with RDP. Once done, install Microsoft Remote Desktop or Jump Desktop on your iPad and sign in. Make sure your Windows account allows remote connections and note the PC name or public IP. Now add a new connection in the app using the IP/name, credentials, and a friendly display name to begin the link. After adding the connection, customize display and input to match touch-first use. Set resolution lower for performance and enable clipboard and sound sync. Next, adjust input. Enable the on-screen keyboard, mouse emulation, and gesture options. Map CMD/option to Control/Windows for shortcuts. If connecting over the internet, configure an RDP gateway or set router port forwarding, and secure it with a strong password and 2FA on the VM or Microsoft account. Test a short session and finalize by optimizing for stability and battery life. Reduce color depth, disable Windows visual effects, and close heavy apps. Once connected, install any touch-friendly utilities like Magnifier or Virtual Touch drivers. If the session disconnects or won't connect, verify Windows firewall rules, correct IP/hostname, user credentials, and that the RDP service is running. Restart the PC or gateway if needed. As a fallback, switch to a cloud-hosted Windows 10 VM for consistent performance and simpler remote access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.